All right, scholars, we have a list of items here, and the objective is to identify which ones are above the line, known as adjustments, which items are below the line, itemized deductions, and which ones are not allowed at all. So let's go through these, and you can mark down yours. We're going to start with alimony paid to an ex-spouse, and it was executed prior to December 31st, 2018. That was an important date because up until then, it's allowed as an adjustment to the party paying it. And of course, it's income to the party receiving it. So that's an adjustment. The next one, charitable contributions. That's an itemized deduction. Interest on your personal credit card? Nope, X that one out, not allowed. Books purchased by a classroom teacher and not reimbursed. That's an adjustment, right? It's below the threshold amount, so that's allowed as an adjustment for $100. Moving expenses to move to a bigger house in the same neighborhood. Moving expenses only allowed for the military when it's required for their full-time employment. So therefore, that's no longer allowed. That's a big X. Put an X through it. The standard deduction. Well, that's what you use if you don't itemize. How about your mortgage interest on a second residence? As long as it's below the threshold amount, then it's acceptable. So therefore, that's an itemized deduction. We have interest on a student loan. Remember, every year you get a threshold amount, and that is, in this case, an adjustment. We have penalty for early withdrawal from a savings account. That's an adjustment. State income taxes paid. That is an itemized deduction. Remember, there is a cap on total taxes paid to the state, whether it's income or real estate, but this is clearly below that threshold. Eligible IRA contribution, that's an adjustment. And child support payments, sorry, not allowed. So the ones that are adjustments are $6,000, that's the alimony. $100, that's the classroom teacher buying materials for their classroom. The $700, which is the interest on a student loan. The other $100, which is a penalty for an early withdrawal from a savings account. And the $500, your IRA contribution. The aggregate amount, $7,400. Make a note of that, and you've mastered this.